Twister. I am reading Chicken Soup for the Parent Soul. I have chosen a poem, It's Okay, by Rwanda Gordon. The house is a mess. The dishes are dirty. I'm too old for this stuff. I'm well over 30. The car is not clean. My hair is a wreck. I've already spent Friday's next paycheck. The laundry needs washing. The kids are too rowdy. And I never have time for a leisurely howdy. With all that I do, it's never enough. It's never quite finished. It always looks rough. I look in the mirror, and what did I see? A hurried old stranger where I used to be. The hurrier I go, the behinder I get. Today is tomorrow, and I'm not caught up yet. My kids are growing at such a fast pace that I'm missing their childhood for the sake of the race. I work and I clean, and I cook and I say, hit the books, clean your room, there's no time for play. Well, the Lord, for some reason, chose me with their care of 3 of his children, but I'm rarely there. I've got to slow down, lest there's nothing to show for my role as their mom when they pack up and go. I'm only one person, but look through my door. What appears to be one divides into more. I'm a chauffeur, a cook, a planter of trees, a teacher, an umpire, a mender of knees. Sometimes I forget that deep down inside, there's a lady with feelings that last night she cried. She gets tired and lonely, feels taken for granted. She wants to see blooms from the seeds that she has planted. In the midst of all the turmoil and mind-bending pace, my little ones look at me square in the face. And just when I need it, they all in one day say, Mama, I love you, and then it's okay.